Handy here. If you have an SL55 AMG and suddenly the door handle from the inside of the car won't work anymore, well, you've probably broken it. We're going to show you how to fix it, boy. We're going to take off this cover here. Now we're going to take off this by twisting it. And there's a screw in there. Okay, so you're going to take that screw out right there. Okay, there's a screw, and you got to use one of those star wrenches to get it out of there. Now we're going to remove the screws here, and here, and there's one down here. That's not a screw, actually. So it should be a total of 5 screws. You're going to take this aluminum piece off. Okay, there's one more screw right here up top. So there's a total of 6 screws. Get rid of this guy. Kind of hard to do it on hand. That support, okay. And then this little piece just pops right off, okay? Now, the whole door will come right off by prying, start on the bottom of the door. I'm just using a crowbar. We'll take a look here. Okay, so here's the broken piece. Here's the door handle, and this little key piece goes into it just like so. Okay, and then that's how it works. So you reinsert this in the door, replace this in from the inside. Verify that the door will open smoothly. It does. If this little white clip popped off when you took this little corner piece out, just pop this thing off of there and put it back in. Completed door. How easy was that, guys? Thank you for watching my video. I'm Andy. I promise you, no small farm animals or midgets were hurt during the making of this video. Happy motoring, guys.